Welcome back. Now, one of the things you'll notice about the title bar is that you're going to have 140 characters to write your title. Now, you'll want this title to be keyword rich and indicative of individuals finding you through Google search. Once you've done that, you're going to indicate details about the listing. Now, Etsy is going to give you drop-down menus in order to do that. So in this case, we're going to state who made it. What they mean by that is you're going to indicate whether you did, someone who is part of your store, or someone else. You're then going to indicate whether or not you're going to be selling a finished product or a supply or tool in order to make other things. And then you're going to use the third drop-down arrow to indicate when it was actually created. Once you've done that, you're then going to want to designate the category. And to do that, you're going to write in 2 or 3 words that indicate what you're actually selling in order to find a searchable category for Etsy. When you write in words, you're going to find that Etsy is going to try to give you clues on which category you're going to use. Once you find the category that you are going to be listing, you're going to want to select it. You're then going to indicate the primary color for your item. In this case, this is going to be optional, so you can use this drop-down menu in order to indicate the color. You can also indicate a secondary color. What you're then going to do is you're going to indicate what happens when your listing expires. So if you want your listing to be reloaded, you're going to leave this as automatic, which is the default setting. That means then that if your item doesn't sell within the time period, it will automatically be relisted. If you want to determine if that item is going to be relisted, should it not sell, you can make this a manual process. You're then going to indicate whether you are selling a physical or digital item. What you can then do is you can select digital if you're selling a digital item. You're then going to want to write a keyword-rich description of your product. Now, you're going to want to make sure that it's keyword-rich so that individuals searching on Google or their favorite search engine, they will be able to find your item in organic search. So you want to make this description as long as you need it to be. Now, for the sake of this video, we are just going to use one sentence in our description. Your description, of course, would be much longer. What you can then do is you can click this link. You'll then be able to see how your listing is going to look when it's placed on the Google search engine. And you'll see that listing here. Now, we're going to stop the video here, and we're going to pick it up from this point when we start to discuss production partners. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.